How to manage participants in a Zoom meeting. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your Zoom application and get yourself into a Zoom meeting. Once done, if you are a host, you will see all the participants. If you click on to participants, it will open up all your participants on your right hand side. Now, if you would like to mute this another person or the member of the meeting, click on this three dot icon and you can remove them all or just ask them to mute. If you click on ask to unmute, they will be able to unmute themselves. You can also make them a host if you click on make host, and you can also rename their name. Now here at the bottom bar you will see mute all option. If you click on mute all, it will mute all the participant that there is. And these are all the features that you can use to manage your participants if you are a host in a Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below.